In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable chat on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin by making sure you have access to Microsoft Teams. The first step is to sign in or sign up. Head over to the Microsoft Teams website. If you already have an account, simply click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. If you're new to Microsoft Teams, don't worry, just follow the prompts to create your account. It's a straightforward process that will guide you through setting up your new profile. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Chat section. On the home page of Microsoft Teams, you'll find a sidebar on your left. Look for the Chat icon. It looks like a speech bubble. Clicking this will bring you to your chat interface where all your conversations are displayed. Now that you're in the chat section, let's start a new chat. At the top of this section, you will see an icon that typically resembles a pencil inside a square or circle. This is the new chat icon. Click on that icon to initiate a fresh conversation. Next, you need to find the recipients of your message. In the search bar that appears after you click the new chat icon, you can type in the email address of the person or people you want to message. This search feature ensures that you can quickly locate the right contact without having to scroll through lists. Once you've entered the email address, a list of profiles matching your search will appear. Select the correct profile by clicking on it. This action opens a new chat window with that individual, making it easy to start a conversation directly with them. Now that you're in the chat window, it's time to compose your message. Click into the text box at the bottom of the window. Here, you can type out your message just like you would in any messaging app. Take your time to write out your thoughts clearly. When you're ready to send your message, simply hit the Send button. This button usually looks like a paper airplane icon, or it can be marked clearly as Send. Once you click it, your message will be sent, and you'll be able to see it appear in the chat window. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled chat on Microsoft Teams and started your first conversation. Remember, regular use of chat features can greatly enhance your communication within teams and projects. So don't hesitate to dive in and explore more functionalities. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for joining me, and happy